Hello everyone, welcome back to Civil Engineers Club. Today we will discuss 5 important MCQ from concrete technology. Concrete technology is a very important subject, and in most of the government examination you will find a percentage of MCQ from concrete technology. So let's start the video. Question number 1. The risk of segregation is more for option A weighted mix, option B larger proportion of maximum size aggregate, option C coarser grading, and option D all the above. Here the correct answer is all the above. The risk of segregation is more for all of the option from 1 to A to C. So all of the above is the correct answer. Next question, the mixture of different ingredients of cement is burnt at option A 1000 degrees centigrade, option B 1200 degrees centigrade, option C 1400 degrees centigrade, and option D 1600 degrees centigrade. Here the correct answer is 1400 degrees centigrade. So option C 1400 degrees centigrade is the correct answer. The mixture of different ingredients of cement is burnt at 1400 degrees centigrade. Next question, for ensuring quality of concrete, use option A single sized aggregates, option B two sized aggregates, option C graded aggregates, and option D coarse aggregates. Here the correct answer is option C graded aggregates. So for ensuring quality of concrete, one should always use graded aggregates. Question, M10 grade of concrete approximates option A 1:3:6 mix, option B 1:1:2 mix, and option C 1:2:4 mix, and option D 1:1.5:3 mix. Here the correct answer is option A 1:3:6 mix.